Well, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I converted my Park Tool bicycle repair stand into a benchtop mounted bicycle repair stand using a 3D printed part. This is what the 3D printed part looks like coming out of the printer. I designed it in Fusion 360 and printed it on my Bamboo Labs X1C. It's printed out of PLA and it weighs about 500 grams, so this costs about $10 to print. The plastic inserts that were in the Park Tool stand are keyed, and so this part also has corresponding keys. There are 4 holes at the bottom to attach it using 1/4-20 screws. It takes about 30 seconds to swap all the parts over from the bicycle stand to the benchtop unit. Once you remove the clamp, there are just 2 more plastic cups that you have to swap over. Be careful when removing the handle though, there are some needle bearings that might fall out. Be sure to align the keys in these plastic inserts so you don't accidentally damage something. It's a pretty quick process to go back and forth between the bench mount and stand. I have this mounted on a table and that gives a little more clearance for the pedals to turn. If you mounted this directly flush to the front of a toolbox, you might need to make a little extension arm. The stand seems plenty strong. I can hang my entire body weight off the end of it, but there is a little bit of flex in torsion, as you can see. So I went back into Fusion 360 and changed some of the parameters to make the webbing of this mount a little bit thicker. I'll upload this parameterized model to MakerWorld, and you can adjust the height and width and make it exactly how you want. The part is printed in this orientation because I wanted the cylinder to be as accurate as possible, and there's an expanding collet that grabs the inside of the cylinder, and I wanted that strong as well. I'm printing with 7 wall layers to make sure that cylinder section is printed solid. Everything slips together perfectly. This pen is perfect for marking holes. I'm just tapping 1/4-20 holes into my workbench. I thought about using riv nuts, but I don't think it needs to be quite that strong. And obviously I have a nut on the other side of this bolt. I don't think the torsional rigidity is a big enough issue for me to print this a second time, but when you download the model, you'll get the thicker version. As you can see, my bicycle repair stand is basically where it was originally, but without these giant feet that I'm tripping over. Hopefully for daily use, the stand can just remain in long-term storage. I'll only pull it out if I need to wash the bike or something. I'll leave a link to download my parameterized model in the description below. If you have any suggestions, let me know, and thanks again for watching.